Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to do transitions in Higgsfield. So all you need to do is open any browser and then search for Higgsfield AI and then go to create and then log into your account or create an account and then go to apps, search for transitions. Now press on transitions. This one creates seamless transition between any shots effortlessly. Now you need to choose your start frame and end frame, and then you need to choose the transition type. There is Raven transition, morph, air bending, all these different types of transitions. You can choose which one suits your start and end frame, and then just press on generate video. You can choose 5 seconds or 10 seconds video. Then you press on generate video. It will start to be in the queue, and when your turn is up, the video will be generated successfully, and it will take about 5 minutes, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.